Good Tuesday afternoon to you. This weather video is driven by 802cars.com, representing 802 Toyota, Twin City Subaru, and 802 Honda. They're all located off of Exit 7 on Interstate 89. Starting to see a lot of clearing skies as these clouds are on the decrease. These clouds are being shifted off to the east, associated with this area of low pressure that's been producing some snow across a portion of southeastern New England. All of this is heading away from us. With these clouds decreasing, we should get into a clear night. That's going to drop the temperature considerably, but nothing extreme. Roger Hill of Weathering Heights Consulting, weather hazards forecaster for VELCO. We have a remarkable quiet stretch here for this outlook period. This is going through the first week of February. After good project weather, the rest of today, Tuesday, a series of weak disturbances touches off some micro-dustings of snow showers and flurries developing late Wednesday and pulsing off and on into Friday morning. Gradient wind gusts, about the only real concern, but really little concern for utilities. That'll take place on Friday. Then gradually weak disturbances and frontal systems followed by high pressure ridging for some more dry weather on Monday. So large-scale weather features right now, we have a bit of a ridge of, kind of a shortwave ridge, shortwave trough to our west, a large mean trough, and this ridge is going to be moving on in and bringing us a little bit better conditions, but this is going to be interfering with that. I'm going to start with looking at temperature anomalies right now. It's a little bit above normal here locally to the northeast U.S. We're surrounded with cold air up to the north, a very warm Arctic, some warm air out to the west, and cold air that's penetrating the Gulf of Mexico. Looking at Europe, they're above normal in temperature. Temperature anomalies that are above normal, some colder spots here and there. Looking at Asia, pretty warm spots here and also up in the northern parts of Siberia. Snow cover right now is at the decadal lows for North America. Not a lot of snow. The west doesn't have a lot of snow. Really, the northeast does not have a lot of snow, and that includes Vermont. Taking a look at the other parts of the planet, the northern hemisphere. Taking a look at the 6-hour panels, we have a ridge of higher pressure. That's going to be for Wednesday. And then late in the day on Wednesday, some snow showers and flurries move on in. A little bit of a south wind, nothing significant there. That moves on out. And then we have these little minor flare-ups with another frontal system working on an area of low pressure tracking to Quebec. Swings the front through. Looks like we cool down with the pressure and the thickness is packing there. And then some lake effect snow showers and flurries. This is valid about Saturday, Friday night, Saturday morning. Another ridge of higher pressure builds in for Saturday. And then Saturday night, another system moves on through, kind of an Alberta Clipper system. Nothing of any great shakes here. And you can see as this frontal boundary works on through on Sunday, then we get into another ridge of higher pressure that'll build in for Monday, or at least be in between weather systems, with a system sliding off the coast. Okay, with a little bit of the minor amounts of snow showers and flurries, you can see here's about 1/10, 2/10 total. So we're talking about several different minor disturbances working on through. Not a whole lot to show for it. And nothing real significant. It does look like we stay cold enough for all snow. Total precipitation, we're talking about a 1/2 inch in the green lines here. So we're inside that 1/2 inch to about 1 inch amounts. And the main storm track is along the coast, and that's happening early in the period now. And looking at temperature, centered on Burlington, we do go above the freezing mark on Thursday, and you can see kind of an oscillation. This is the 0 degree Fahrenheit line, so going below 0 potentially thereafter, and a little bit of an up and down tick there. Nothing significant. Maximum temperature anomalies showing colder than normal temperatures east of the Rocky Mountains and continuing to funnel in from Canada, where it is significantly colder up here in Alberta, Saskatchewan, Manitoba region. What about 3 days later? Not a lot of change. This is going to be the feed. Stays warm out west. And we had a clear day a few days ago, so I thought I'd show you Lake Champlain ice, which is covering a good portion of the northern part of the lake, including Mallett's Bay, and up in the Highlands region. Open water, and this is where there'll still be some snow showers and flurries if we get the right fetch coming down this direction here. So, looking at where the snow kind of tapers off, you can see limited amounts here across portions of western Vermont, generally Rutland, into Bennington, western Bennington counties. And further south you go, it kind of just tapers off, and very little snow in the Berkshires, really, into Litchfield County portion of Connecticut. So not a lot of tremendous amount of what's going on here, but we do look at probably an uptick in the colder air and a potential for more stormy conditions along about the second week of February. Roger Hill, Wuthering Heights.